Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. In June 21st, we are here for live trade. Bradley, Hubert, Laura, Aiden, Roger, Alan. Well, we have two Allens here. All right. Okay, so thank you, Riado. Thank you so much for coming in. All right. So yes, what are we going to look out for today? Can I have the MT4, please? Right. So yeah, just hang on with it. Right. So we still have plenty of them still coming in slowly. All right. Okay. So over here, yes, we are going for the live trading now. All right. Yes. Okay. So earlier on, okay. Right now on this, I'm on the chart of a dollar cat over here. Right, so dollar cat, it seems like it's coming back for selling. All right, haha. Okay, so this part here, okay, now it's breaking out the support. Okay, now it looks good on the breaking out the support, which is I guess pretty good. Okay, so I guess in this during this period of time, dollar cat will seems to have a more chance. Right, so yeah, okay, so one test on the support, and after that it started to swing down over from here. Right, well, we have 13 pips right now. Okay, so hang on first. Okay, just a little while. Okay, so yeah, just hang on first, guys. Okay, just hang on first, just in case. All right, yeah, I think today looks like a dollar once coming in after the holiday is getting weak. Well, I think we don't have a chance to enter right now. Okay, so just hang on first, right? Yes, we have missed this dollar cat, I think, but it's okay. Pretty much as I would say that it's okay for to miss this. Okay, so just keep a lookout. All right, so keep a lookout. All right, so yeah, so things now a bit different. Okay, there's some changes over here. Yes, that's right. All right. For those who just come by my channel, remember to click on the like, subscribe, and ring up the bell, right? So that you can get a notification when I go live. And in this live session, we are going to trade together, and we are going to share some knowledges here, as well as also to, get some profit together. That's very important. Am I right? Okay. So yep. So let's hang on. Okay, hang on a little while. Yeah, pretty much that I can see that now we are actually moving, okay, moving south for dollar cat. But I think it's quite fine, okay, it's quite fine because since I already missed, okay, let's wait for another round, all right. Dollar yen. Okay, now let's take a look at dollar yen. Right, dollar yen, I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm still waiting for a good round for dollar. All right. Okay. You get the sell trade yesterday in pound. I say sell at 122.80. Anyone get a sell trade there? Okay, right. Oh, Bradley. Okay. Bradley, yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yes, yes. Okay, so let's take a look at pound dollar yesterday. Right, so 122.80, 122.80, 122. 122.80. Yeah. Okay. From about here, 122.80. Okay, it should be around here. All right. So, yep. Okay. Yes. Congratulations, Bradley. All right. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, so that's a good one. Okay, so, yep. All right. So as for today, okay, let's come back once again today. Right. So thank you, Forex New Way, and I guess we are creating a very good community over here that everybody willing to share here, right? So I guess this is fantastic. Okay, so once again, all right, and for pound dollar, now we are actually moving to the north. Okay, so creating, I guess, likely this is the level, right? Okay, so uh, can yes, something is actually going wrong with my. Did I switch on any? Okay. I hope everybody can still get me. All right, because all right. Let me go on first. Just in case I lost my connection. All right, do let me know. All right, so that because today we are having the test run. Okay, for the network. Okay. Okay. So yep. Guess still good. All right. So right now, pound dollar, we are still going on the buy side. Still going on the buy side. So waiting for it to actually come to a point. All right. Okay. Okay. Yes. Right now. Okay. Right now we are. Where are we now? Let me okay. So currently, okay, we are actually, I think we are approaching one of the resistance over here, and this may be one that we must pay attention to. Okay, so look at the resistance over here for pound dollar. Okay, so this is what we are expecting to see. Okay, coming in. All right, so yes, correct. That's right. Okay, okay, yes, that's good. And now again, all right. So over at this point, okay, over at this point here, yes, Hubert. Okay, I 120 what 124 124 right about here, right? 124. Well, I guess most of us are looking for pound dollar to buy at 124 at this level. I guess probably, but looking at the resistance over here first. Okay, we have one resistance here that something that we should be looking out for as well. Okay, so right now if you're looking at this 124, okay, so it should have about 100 pips to go, right? And tentatively, by looking at this, I guess something that we should be careful of, okay, because of this resistance, okay, over here, right? Okay, so let's take a look at the Aussie CAD today. Let's take a look. Okay, let's screen through first. Okay, let's screen through first. Aussie CAD over here. Right, Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD. Right, Aussie CAD is now retesting on the previous support as a resistor now. Okay, so looks good as well. Let me check. Right, somewhere here. Okay, okay, somewhere here, somewhere here. So just be careful. Okay. No, 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 no. For me, hang on. I will hang on first. Yep. Yes. Yep. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay, that's wonderful. Right. Wow. Okay, I need to have a more water. You know what? Yesterday, last night I was like having a wow. I was saying, oh, my throat was so tired. Okay, then I don't even feel like talking to anyone. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I think that's pretty okay. All right. Okay, so right now, by looking at this Aussie cat here, we are actually retesting the previous support as a resistance. Okay, so very likely, we may got a chance to. And as quite a good space to the support. I think we still have about 100 pips as well. Okay, so right now, by looking at this, all right, Aussie cat, yes. Okay, Euro cat, all right, Euro cat over here. Well, Euro cat, we are breaking out the support level over here as well. So Euro cat is very good. Okay, I will focus a lot on the Euro cat today as well. Okay, Euro cat, very good Euro cat. Okay. Over at the, all right. So take a look at the. Are we looking for buy or anything? Okay. And also we are going to test the. Hey. All right, and what else to look out for now? Okay. Anything else? Right now, Euro Yen, we are very near to the resistance over at this point here. So, yes, yes. Euro Yen. Yep, Euro Yen. Okay. Yep. Yes. Okay, I think that's quite okay because right now as for Euro Yen over here, okay, Euro Yen, right? I guess right now is going to test on the resistance. So this H4 hours is actually now very near to the resistance level. So this level, okay, I think this level, okay, we still have about 20 pips to go. Yep. Yes, yeah, that's right. Okay, so currently, as we can see, okay, currently as we can see over here, all right. So, over at this point, okay, it hits on the now it hits with one of the supports here, and now moving back again, right? So as we can see, all right, this is the support level, all right. This is the support level as you can see, right? So this is one of the major support that I'm looking at. Okay, yep, right. Sell the pound yen at 166.35. Okay, so pound yen. Okay, let's take a look. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen. Okay, 166.35. 166.35. Let's take a look. 166.35. Okay. Yeah, 166.35. Okay. Yeah, it looks like pretty near. Okay, so yeah, this is something that we should be looking out for as well. Hey, this is quite good, huh? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Forex New Way. Thank you very much. 166.35. 166.35. Okay. Already sold. Okay. Already sold. All right. So, Forex New Way has already taken a, a trade to sell this pound yen 166.35 over at that side. All right, 166.35. Okay, so well, I guess this is quite a good one. Also, let me 166.35 with 166.35. Oh, it hits here right at this point, and now it's coming. Okay, so I guess it's quite good. So have you planned out the? Let me see. I guess this should be your 161 area, correct? 161.8 level. Am I right to say that? I took the date based on Asian high. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Right. Okay. All right. So currently, okay, currently it is now still on this. The June 13 high was taken out. June 13. Let me this away. June 13. in this one, this area here, this part here. All right. Are we looking at the pound yen? Yes, we are looking at pound yen, correct. Pound yen, that's right, that's right. Okay. If the price runs up next, Asian high is 167.66.3. 167.66.3. Okay. 167.66.3. 167.66.3. Okay. So it's around this area. Over at this side here. 167.696. Oh, okay. 696. Okay. So it should be around here. So this area from your entry is about 130 pips. 130 pips around there. Yeah. 130 pips, right? Okay. So that will be another level, another higher, another Asian high level. The Asian high level over. Okay, okay. Right, I get what you mean. Okay, so guys, it's about here. All right. So if I base on this, the next Asian high, it should be around 10 June. Right? It should be 10 June. Okay. 10 June. Yes. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, so one how yen to sell, but where should I take the profit? Where should I take the profit? For Forex New Way, which point will be the TP price? Let me see. Okay. Will that be 165, about 1654? 165.44? $165.44. Yes, I try to target the Asian low 165 44, 165.44, which is around this area here. This is today's Asian low. Today Asian low. Can I say that your 165.44 is today Asian low? Oh yes, okay, that's good. Okay. Yep. So as I can see here, right, 165.44. Okay. Okay, 165.44. Okay. Right. So I just type out something. Okay. As 166.350. Okay. At 165.44. Okay. Right. Okay. And okay, the rationale over here is that Forex New Way is actually taking into the consideration, okay, where it's actually this on the Asian high, correct? This area here. Okay. Then sell to this Asian low of today, okay, over here, targeted at this area. Okay. Right. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. Right. So tentatively, it is still running. Okay, it is still running. Okay. Okay. So yes. Well, by looking at this, right now, well, are we going to look at this? Are we going to look at this? Power yen probably will actually start to slide down. Probably on the next H4 opening. I guess probably that will be on the next H4 opening because I'm not sure about this yet. I'm still watching it. Okay, I'm still watching it now. Okay. So it's actually now testing on to retesting. Okay, I can see that we are coming for retesting over here. Okay, so Now we are back to the 35 mark. Okay, yes. Riano was saying that now we are back to the 35 mark, and it seems like it's not breaking it. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Looks like it's being rejected now. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I think. Yep. Yes. Okay. Forex New Wave was saying that based on the Asian high, okay, basing on the Asian high that was taken out over here at this area. Okay, so 166.35. Yes. Okay. Guys, please bear in mind that 166.44. Sorry. 166.35. Okay. You have to give some estimation. Okay, because I believe many of us actually using different broker. Okay, so trading price the price may differs a little bit there. Okay, right. Okay, so end of the day, you still have you still need to base on the you can use the price as a gauge, and you still need some price action. Okay, so to determine, okay, before you take a trade. All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Forex New Way. Okay, there's a question here. So where shall the stop be? If I'm not wrong, Forex New Way don't use stop. He use another way. Is hedging. Am I right? I'm not sure for this particular trade. Okay. Maybe different trades have a different strategy for the stop. All right. So I'm not sure. Okay. Let's see. Forex New Way have any advice for us? Okay. Okay, so tentatively, okay, by looking at this pound yen, in general, okay, I would say that this level, okay, this level is actually quite this level, okay, over here, right? So based on this level, we can see that over at this point here, all right, as what Forex New Way has was talking about, this was this Asian high over at this point here, right? So yes, the Asian high over here. So take a trade down to the today the Asian's low of today, all right? Okay. Okay, can we take a look at pound dollar? Okay, sure. Pound dollar. Okay, let's see. Right, pound dollar. Right, so over here, let's see pound dollar. Pound dollar has a slight change over here at this point, where pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar is now as I see, is also coming in. Okay, to reach this resistance as well. Yep. สวัสดีครับกงสิบ Yes, we have traded the pound yen. We have just traded the pound yen at the price of 166.35. All right. Okay. So over at this pound dollar. Okay. Okay. So reply back for the pound yen first. All right. Regarding stop loss, totally depends on your risk tolerance and account size. Sorry, I hedge. Do not like use stop. Okay. So So Forex New Ways, okay, he's using a hedge. All right. So yeah, stop loss totally depends on your risk tolerance and account size. Exactly. Okay. There is no specific or standard stop loss. Okay, it's to me, I do not know if I'm right. Okay, to me, I think probably we have to take into consideration of first the risk tolerance level, which I think you have to determine for yourself that what kind of what level of a trader are you in, like low risk, medium risk, or high risk? Okay, something like this. All right. So uh, for stop loss, it depends on individual that what are the risks that you can tolerate. Okay. At the same time, right, you have to take note of your lot size and your account size. Okay. Please don't tell me that you have a USD account 1000 and you are going to trade with 2 lots, 3 lots. Okay. And that's too crazy, I guess. Okay, I'm not sure I'm right or not. Okay, but to me, personally, I think with $1,000, you cannot even go for 1 lot. Okay, it is too risky. Okay, that's too risky. So yeah, it all depends on individual. All right. Okay. If let's say, yes, correct. Leonard, you're right. Okay, so basically, it all depends on yourself. Okay, so manage the stop yourself. Okay, right. It will be good that try to keep it safe. Try to keep it safe. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, of course, it's also not to a point that you're going to risk $1,000 account for $1,000 profit. Okay, that is also not very ideal. All right. All right. Okay. So yep. So coming by here again. All right. Yes. Once again. Okay. If you are actually into this right now. Okay, trading over here, as we can see. Okay, this at this point of time. Okay, at this point of time, right? So if we are actually into a trade like this. Okay, probably you have to take note of the directions that's moving as well. Okay, if I were going to use a stop loss, probably a minimum of 50. Okay, a minimum of 50. Okay, right? So a minimum of 50. Okay, a minimum of 50. Huh? Okay, a 50 to some may be a bit too big. Okay, but of course, there must have a rationale for this minimum of 50. Okay, so let's say a 50 because this could move at 5 o'clock. This could move at 5 o'clock. Okay, your 5 o'clock. Mean 5 o'clock in Japan. Uh, 50 about 166,823. Okay. In 30 minutes time, 5 o'clock. Okay. So time in Japan. All right. So there may be a move. All right. There could be a move at 5 o'clock. Okay. Yes. Right. So yeah, I guess very likely. Okay. Yes. How yen generally generally what? Cannot place stop based on pips. Depends on structure. Yep, it depends on structure. You don't in a way that you don't tell yourself, okay, like you say, a pips. Okay, I can tolerate pips, like I say 50. Okay, let's say, all right. So probably, but who knows? Sometimes when you place a pips, let's say over here, basing on pips, but who knows that is actually a resistant area. Okay, that sellers are waiting to sell again. So a lot of time, there's a lot of people, okay, which I met, okay, and they always say that, oh, once it hits the stop loss and it's actually swing down. Okay, so normally I ask, where is the stop loss? The next higher resistance. Okay, let's say they based on support and resistance. Okay, so their stop is at the next higher resistance. So I will be asking, okay, so do you know what's the structure up there? Resistance. So I say, so if you're selling, why are you stopping? Why are you stopping your trade at the resistance? So this is the structure. This if I forex new way, am I right? If I explain it this way, is it correct? Like you say, based on the structure. Okay, it should based on structure, right? To place your stop. Okay, so that's why for example, just for example, yeah. Okay, yes, okay. So that's why a lot of people actually, when they are using support and resistance, okay, they always place their stop at the resistance level, where to me is a bit illogical, okay, because if you are selling should be, if you are basing on the resistance, you should sell on the resistance and not stop at the resistance. Okay, so that is a pretty wrong thing, a pretty wrong thing to do, because that's also my mistakes that I have done. Okay, in the past. Okay, so then I realized sometimes my stop, if I base on the structure. Okay, sometimes my stop can varies between let's say 20 pips. Sometimes was like 25 pips. Sometimes was 22 pips. Sometimes was 30 pips. Sometimes was 35 pips. So a lot of people are asking me, how come you don't have a specific stop loss, and that actually to create a good risk management. To create a good stop loss it doesn't go well. It doesn't go hand in hand whether is it a good risk management. But I would think that basing on the structure, okay, to have a stop, I think that is a way to manage the trade, okay, to manage your losses, so that we are still in the we are still in the we are still in the right structure there to grab, okay. So sometimes, let's say this is my entry, okay. So what if it breaks up, okay, and it came back and it hits on, and when it came back, when it hits on my entry, but without coming back, and it's set up with a buying, continue to go by. Okay, that is one of the structure that I'm talking about. That, okay, that means this is something that according to my structure, okay, I will cut the losses. Okay, so yeah, that is how what do we mean by a structure. Okay, all right. So I hope I explained that correctly. I think still go with what Forex New Way has placed on the sentence. Cannot place stop based on pips, but it depends on structure. Okay. Yeah. So we must have a structure in trading. Okay, we must have a structure in trading for this case. Okay, right. Okay. So over here, yeah, over here, right? So currently, pound yen, okay, pound yen, we are coming near to 35, 166.35, okay, 166.35 for selling, all right. Okay, based on current situation, for forex trade, for those who have not entered a trade, do you think it is still good for them to enter a trade at this stage here? Wait until 5. Okay, so we have about 7 minutes to go. All right, 7 minutes to go. Okay, so be patient. Bradley, yes, I have not entered. Still waiting for 166.35. Okay, okay. All right, all right. Okay, okay. Right. So waiting for another 7 minutes. Okay, so don't rush into it. Okay. All right. So currently, okay, we are still looking at this. Okay, I think we are almost there. Okay, we still have 6 minutes to go. All right, 6 minutes to go. Take take it easy, guys. Okay. If if H1 open, if H1 open and the price did not reach 166.35, can I enter? Can I enter? Okay. It depends on the situation by then. I think it will depends on the situation by then. Yeah. Right. Okay. So just hang on. Okay. Just hang on with that. Because one thing over at this side here. Okay. I believe Forex New Way has its structure to enter for a trade. Okay, so over at this part here, I would say that maybe we'll need to look at the situation by then, right? Then decide whether to enter for a trade. Okay. Okay. So yep. So currently what we are doing and waiting for over at this point, still waiting, waiting for it. Still waiting for the H1 opening. Okay, H1 opening, right? Uh, Seems like there's a lot of testing every 5 minutes. You can see for the past so many 5 minutes has been testing on this 166.35. It's not breaking out. Okay. Can I say so? Forex New Way. Put it this way. Okay. Seems like by looking at this, okay, based on let's say we based on M5, the number of tries, the number of touches there to 166.35 is not breaking up. Okay, so it's not breaking out there. So, can I say that is this a sign? Is this a sign that is being resisted in this for this case? Okay, so that's so far, but that is only M5 time frame. Yeah, okay. Yes, that's M5 time frame. Yeah, just to lower down the time frame to look into details. That's all. If we are looking at this M30 right now, M50. Okay, yeah. Based on H1 within that 1 hour, within this 1 hour candle. Okay, so far, yeah, it seems like it has been hovering around here. There is something that we can see that cannot break, because some of us, I know, I believe that some of us out there, we actually use M5 to take a look, okay, whether the number of tests, you know, okay. So yeah, just highlight to some of them who are using M5. Okay. Yes. Yes, we come a long way to meet each other. Yes. Okay, and this is a very good channel that I see that we are sharing. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, thank you for all the contributors as well. So feel free to share, but remember one thing. Okay, I don't have rules, but I think it's a basic courtesy that we are not here to challenge. All right. Okay, we are here to share. All right. So this is something that please bear in mind. Okay, for all of us here. Right. Whoever new here. Okay, so just let you know. All right. Okay, so actually, by looking at this point here, okay, we still have about 1 minute to go. Okay, so it's still hovering around the price around this 166.20 to 35. Okay, it's about there. So it looks like well, it's always on the dual side, am I right? So it looks like okay, this part it seems like there's people are still trying to break, okay, but it's still very strong that it's unable to break, okay, something like this, okay. Um, yeah, just no, I just put it in a very layman term, okay, just a very layman term, right? Yes, okay. Right. So right now, yes, the H1 candle has opened. Okay, 5 o'clock in Japan. Right, 4 o'clock on my side here, and of course, this is 11 o'clock on the MT4. Right. Yes. Okay. This is actually quite a good trade. I would say that it has a very high tendency deep into where it should be. Okay. Yeah. Hubert was saying that this is a nice trade to Forex New Way. Right. And over at this side here. Well, we are entering into the last hour of this 4-hour session. So yes, just take a look. Okay. Right. Yes. Okay. Right. So let's observe this. Is it good to take a trade now? I would say that now is falling below 166.25. I think hang on first. All right. Okay, so let me pass this question back to Forex New Way. Okay, because do you have any advice for the price right now? Like Bradley was asking, is it good to take a trade now? If the price is 166.35, okay, 166.35, now it's about 10 pips away, right? Now it's about 10 pips away. It depends on the situation, I would say. Okay. If there's any selling opportunity, yes, I would say that probably we can. It's also good to take a trade. Okay. Let me take a look. Price is not falling enough yet. Okay. Okay. Price is not falling enough yet. 1, 2. Over here. Okay. Okay, enter now at your own risk. Yes. Okay. Can I say that the price as it's not falling enough yet? The reason behind, I think, is it because of all this? because of all this. Because of this range here, can I say so? Can I say if price should break below this range, then very likely, likely it will be a good chance to, it will be a good time to enter for a trade. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So yeah. So like Forex New Way was saying that the price is not falling enough yet. Okay. So be patient, guys. Okay. So I would say that yeah, just like Forex New Way was actually pointed out, this is the range. Okay. This is the range. So waiting for the price to fall out of this range first. Okay. Then I think it will be much safer, easier. Okay. Right. Yep. Okay, yes. Now go to 1 hour chart. Okay, now go to 1 hour chart. Right. Take the Fibo from the top of the current candle to the bottom. Current candle. Current candle. Bottom. Okay. So as we can see, in 61.8, this is the support. Is that correct? Not the current one. Take the Fibo, a previous candle. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's why I'm wondering. Hey, this is something new. Okay, so it should be here. Okay, so over here. Right, so if we look at the on the M5, yes, this is the 61.8, which is the current support. Am I right? 166,191. Okay, so yeah, it's about here. 166,191. Okay. So as you can see, this is currently the support. Thinking, okay, take the Fibo for the previous candle over here. Okay, previous candle. Okay. Okay. I believe this this previous candle has the highest volume. Can I say so? I have a solid blue. I have a solid blue color on the indicator. I don't know whether is it correct. I don't know if my reading is correct. Okay. Okay. Yes, Emilio, for selling. Yes, for selling. Hi, Emilio. Yes, we are selling this pound yen, but not yet. Okay, we are waiting for it to break this this level. Okay, waiting for it to break this level, and then I think that will be a better selling. Okay. As for people who has already sold at 166.35, okay, then that's okay, that's fine. But those who have not entered yet, I think just wait. Okay, just wait for it. Okay, just wait for it to break this. Okay, right. Next support level is 166.06. 166.06. Continue. 166.06 is here. 166.06. Okay, let me move this up. Okay, 166.06, huh? Okay, so roughly. Okay, roughly here. Okay. This level of support, this level of support, do you use okay, so how do you get 166.06? Forex New Way? Don't mind if I can ask. If you are, for me, okay, if I'm looking at this is the Asian high at this point, okay. Am I right? From the bottom of the candle to the top, from on, okay, oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so we are actually measuring from the bottom of the candle to the top with the same candle. Okay. Yes, yes, Forex New Way is using this way. Okay, Forex New Way is actually using this way, all right, to sort out where's the support level. Okay. Okay, so Forex New Way, we have a question here. Okay, so one of the question here was that previously we used the top to measure down to the bottom to get one support level. And now we are using the same candle to measure once again from the bottom to the top to get another support level. Why are we doing so? Why are we doing so? First support level, second support level. Oh, once is the first support level, once the second support level. Okay. Okay, so you get it, right? So to say in this candle, so to say we have two support level at this moment. Right. I would say yes. The question here, so to say we have two support level. We have two support level nearest to us at this point of time. Okay. Right, so let me put it this way. I draw it out for you. It's easier. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Okay. Okay, so one about here, right? Okay, so one level, two level. Okay. Yep. Right. So yep. So it's about time. Okay, guys, just give me a while. All right. Let me go and fetch myself a cup of drinks. Okay, and toilet break. Okay, I've been drinking a lot of water to keep my vocal going. All right. Thank you for your patience. Yes, just give me a while. All right. Okay, just give me a minute. I will be right back. Oh, while I go to the gens, all right. So if you happen to bypass this channel, remember to click on the like button to show your little appreciation for the effort behind the video, and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can share and trade together. All right, and during this session, to ring up the bell so they get the notification. All right, guys. Thank you so much, and I shall see you in about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. I'll be back as fast as possible. All right, thank you. Hello guys, I'm back. All right. Thank you so much for your patience. All right, let's take a look. This is what pound yen. Did we hit 166.35? 166.35. Nice, 166.38. Okay, so all right. So what's that? Now let me take a look. Looks bullish. Alan has already entered. Pull back. Okay. Right. So well, it looks bullish now. Yeah, probably it's still testing on it. Okay. So let's see. All right. Let's see where's okay, let's see. Right now, okay, basing on this 1 hour is still on testing. It's still on testing yet. Okay. Right, it's still on testing. Okay, so yes, once again, yep. Now this is where we are looking for. The price is about 166.38. Okay. Yep. Looking for a buy, or did I see wrongly? Emilion say that look for a pullback at 165, and then look for a support and then buy. That's my suggestion. 165. Okay, so you're talking about 165. 165 is about 165 is about here. So it's about here. 165. Right. Okay. So 165 from here right now. Okay, we have about 130 pips. 130 pips. Okay, okay. Right. Okay, that's good. Thank you for your contribution. Okay, so that means to say actually you are waiting for the price to come down to 165. Okay, around here. Right, 165 around here. Then if there's a support, 165.85. 165.85. Okay, so somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. Okay, something like that. Yes. Okay. So this is where the support level you are looking at. Am I right? Am I right to say that? Right. So a little up. Okay, a little up. Yeah. Okay. So roughly. Okay. Okay, a little up. Because right, seems like right now this price coming down to 135. Okay, here it's still quite struggling. Okay, let's take a look at M5. Okay. Okay, so at this point, it seems like because basing on the M15, 30, H1, H4, all is bullish. All is bullish. Okay, we are talking about H4. Okay, 1, 30, 15. Okay, 5. All is bullish. Okay, right. Okay. Yeah, well, okay. I guess probably we have to wait for another 30 minutes. Okay, another 30 minutes to go because right now we are very close to H4 opening. All right, so the H4 hours open. Okay, probably may give another turn. Okay, so I'm not sure. All right, so just wait for H4 opening first, I would say. Okay, we look at the pound dollar. Okay, let's look at pound dollar. All right, pound dollar, right now. Pound dollar. Okay, yes, pound dollar. What is it about pound dollar? We are very near to the resistance at that point. Okay, so I'm actually looking for a higher resistance. Would that be all right? A higher resistance, like say 124 here. Okay, 124 over here. Correct. Somewhere here, around this area, right? Okay, right. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, what is that? To sell. To sell. Yes, I would say yes, but right now over here we also have one resistance to take care. Okay, one resistance level to take care of. Okay, so just bear this in mind. That this resistance. Okay. Right. So yep. Okay, pound yen. Yes, pound yen. Okay. Pound yen now is at 166.55. Okay. So we are exceeding 20 pips above. I think let's wait for H4. Okay, I will still prefer to wait for H4 because currently if we are looking at this area here, okay, I think H4 let's wait for H4 opening first. Okay, to check how's the whole H4 current H4 closing. Okay, then before we make a decision. Yeah. Okay. Yep. That's right. Okay. Okay, so just now we're talking about the support level. Okay, one support here, one support level over here. There's 1 and 2. Yes, that's correct. Oh, okay. Hmm. Right. Yep. Okay. Yes, Flora. Pound dollar still looking good to buy. Pound dollar, huh? Okay. Pound dollar, I would say that if I want to buy, I also want to wait for H4 candle. If I didn't buy earlier on, now I don't think this is a good time to buy anymore. Okay. Yep. Okay. So not really. Okay, not really a good time to buy for me. Yeah, I would say that, huh? I would say that. Yep. Okay. So hang on first. Hang on first. Hang on. Don't buy. Don't. I'm not taking any action on the pound dollar yet. Uh huh. Hmm. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, pound yen, not yet. We still have about okay, another 1 minute for M5 to open first. Okay, right. Uh-huh. Okay. Yes, I guess now it's still quite bullish over here at this point of time. When I say bullish, okay, I would say this is a move, okay, but I would say it's a very bullish one, okay, yeah. H4, huh? Okay, H4, okay. Yeah, for the past 4 hours, okay, in basing on this movement over here, all right. Okay, looking at this, okay, so I would say that tentatively, okay, seems like it's still moving very steadily, okay, but it's not a very strong move, I would say. Okay, I wouldn't say it's a very strong move. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so currently, okay, if they, yep, let's say, well, I guess probably it will. I think it will. I guess it will start to slide on the next H4 session and into selling mode in the US market. Very highly possible. Okay, very highly possible about that. I'm not sure. Okay, so that's my 2 cent count. Okay, so yeah. So over at this side here, for yeah, this yes, it's from yes, it's I from what I'm looking at, okay, tentatively, I would say that the slide may come in the next H4 onwards. Uh-huh. Forex New Way, are you still there? I'm not sure if my reading on your on this pound yen is it correct? Probably we need to wait for a little while more. We have some time to wait. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yep. Uh, Still early. Yes, I think yeah, it's still early. Yeah, it's still early to make a decision right now. First thing, okay. First thing, I guess one thing for sure is that H4, okay, H4, all right, H4 is still H4 is still about 25 minutes to go. Okay, about 25 minutes away, right? So and secondly, I guess this is this I will see that this is now in the very Asian high right now. Okay, so will there be a cycle trading back here again? Right, that may happen in the US market. Okay, this is something that we need to take note as well. So yes, and also what price spike up to take out the buy stops. Price spike up to take out the buy stops. Okay. So what do you mean? Pardon me. What do you mean? Do I mean? Or do Forex New Way mean? Price spike out to take out the buy stops. Okay. That means if I'm not okay, if you're asking these questions, okay. So the price spike out is to in a very layman term, okay. And maybe some people, okay, is actually on the other side, okay. There's people are waiting for buy, okay. People are going to buy, all right. People are going to buy at the higher price. So once the price hits on their buying price, okay, then probably it will start to swing down. Okay. Pound yen is buying, not selling. Manuel was saying that pound yen is buying, not selling. All right. Okay. On the order book, there were a bunch of buy stops sitting around 166.6. 166.6. Okay. Currently, of course, currently looking at it is on the buying side for Emmanuel. Yeah. Okay, do agree with that. So, we do not know. Okay, things like how should I put it? How should I put it so not to not to go against any rules. Okay, but sometime okay, there's some stories in the market that goes this way. Okay, that prices will tends to take out some one of the sides. Okay, so you get what I mean? Okay, so yeah, probably now it's on the buying side. Yes, I do agree on this. During this period of time since the morning, the Asian market, so it's on the buying side. Then after they take out some of the buyers, okay, then they will start to sell. Okay, so it's working on that directions, right? But of course, like a whole in the whole right now, okay, for this pound yen, we are still on the buying side. But today, okay, by looking at today, okay, the trend of today, right? Pound yen, it seems like okay. Let me go back first. Let me go back and take this away first. Okay, and I think it will be so much easier, okay, for me. Okay, so have a clean chart so that it's much easier to understand. Okay, so earlier on, when I analyzed this pound yen, okay, pound yen is actually at the verge of I won't say turning down for U-turn, okay, right? But it's actually working on the level, okay, that today it seems like it's going to work on a point that it was started to retrace, okay. Then probably the next few days, if it's persisting on, okay, probably it will start to sell down further. All right, but of course, basing on this one whole week of the trading over here with pound yen is actually looking out for buy. All right, so and when it comes to this point, okay, where earlier on, okay, when it comes to this point, okay, slightly lower over at this area, okay, so I'm actually looking out that there may be a chance of selling. Okay, there may be a chance of selling off, right? To have a retracement, a pullback, right? A pullback, right? So yeah, so that is one of the point here. Okay, so tentatively, well, tentatively right now is actually not into, of course, it's not into the directions that I'm looking at. So that's why we have to be a bit careful with this pound yen when we are buying or selling either way. All right. So this is because at the verge is the price is actually at the verge. The whole charting, I would say, that is at the verge of whether to buy or to retrace back. So it's on the building side. Okay, it's on the building. So we do not know yet. So that's why pound yen, I will still prefer to wait or maybe on the second half, then probably will be better. Okay. So tentatively, of course, by looking at this past 1 week movement, we are actually moving on to the buy side. Okay, we're actually moving on to the buy side, which is correct. Okay, that is quite obvious over here that we are going on the buy side, right? So tentatively, okay, tentatively over on the chart here, okay, if I'm looking at H4, we are also meeting ups, okay, once again, okay, coming near, right, in this area that we are also looking at the H4, how H4 close and how the H4 open on the other side, okay, on the next hour, then will be much clearer, okay. So probably by then we can have a better picture of how okay we did, so that in that case then it will be much easier for us to take a trade. Okay, right. Okay, so over here, yeah, so tentatively, yeah, I will say that it is still on the buying side here. Okay, it's still on the buying side, which we can see over at this point, right? So currently, right, it hits on the 166.776, the highest. So for this case over here, yep, 166.7. So at this moment, will it actually take action to sell back? That's the story. Okay, that's the story about that. Which earlier on, like Forex New Way was saying that on the order book, there were a bunch of buy stops sitting around 166.60. Okay, so well, they now I believe 166.60 has already triggered in. Am I right to say that, Forex New Way? Okay, so we have about 13 minutes. We have about 13 minutes to go. Yes. Okay. So right now, I guess this is where okay, this is where I think the market is going to start to take action. Right. Okay. So yep, that's right. And yes, right now, okay, I guess we should also watch this pound yen. I guess this is a very good learning experience for us, okay, for everyone here. That like what Forex New Way has said, okay, earlier on, we are waiting for this spike out to take out the buy stops. Okay, so sitting around 166.60. So yes, so let's watch the show. Let's see. I guess the show has already begun. Am I right, Forex New Way? So the show is about is going to is begin. So let's see on the next H4. The next H4 we have about 12 hours 12 minutes to go. Sorry, 12 minutes to go, and I guess the real show will come. Okay, so yes, I think yep, okay, right. You better don't spell it out because you are the host. Okay, yeah, all right. So I do not want to get my YouTube channel got suspended, right? I guess not. Okay, maybe not. All right, not that serious. Okay, right. So anyway, yes. Over here we are sharing, and we hope that from all the sharings and the movement of the price here, okay, we will be able to we will be able to we'll be able to learn along the way. You know, there are a lot of things in the forex industry to learn. Okay, there are plenty to learn. Right. So yeah, it's not just about what you know. Okay, and yeah, and there are many strategies out there which is workable and profitable. Okay, so plenty of things. Yeah, plenty, I would say. All right. Okay. Yes. So right now, if we can see right now over here in I lower down the time frame over to to M5. Okay. Okay. So sorry, very good trade. Took a large lot sell at 166.75. Okay, all right. Okay. Up 3 million yen now. Well, okay. So over here to here, all right. Okay. Okay, so right now yes, I think over here, yes, still looking at this M5. I'm actually looking at this M5. Okay, over here that is is it a struggling now? Okay, is it a struggling now that putting this situation okay into a selling mode? Okay, right? Okay, up 3 million now. So I believe you mean you now have a profit of 3 million. If so, congratulations, Forex New Way. Okay, guys. So over here, okay, so on over at this area here, okay, as we can see right here, right. So this area, okay, this area here, where over at this part here, this price here around this area here. Okay, if we look back on the far left, we can see there's some support which actually become a resistance actually. Okay, we can look back. Okay, so at this point, all right, at this point here, okay, as you can see, this whole area, this whole bunch, okay, this whole area here, okay, on the far left, as we can see. So tentatively, I would say that the resistance is there. Okay, if for those who are actually reading on the resistance there, okay, that's my personal reading. Okay, right, that's for me. Okay, I'm just sharing mine. Okay, well, you can share your view as well, right? So currently, okay, currently, I would say that this I would say that this will actually give a good push over, all right, so that I would say that probably it may also do up another selling probably, but it depends on how it closes. Okay, probably better to and probably better to enter off the 4-hour candles. I close about 166 to 166.52. Okay. I don't really understand this part here. Better to enter off the 4 hours candle. I close about 166.52. So do you mean that you have already closed your previous trade on earlier on where you enter? Whereby enter at 166.358, is it? So is that what you mean? Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Now I've got 5 million. That's a very good one for one day. Okay. Yes. Indeed. All right. Okay. So yep. So let's take a look over here. All right. Okay, so for pound yen over here, no, sorry, you're asking for pound dollar, right? Okay, pound dollar. Okay, so for pound dollar over here, right? I will see that as we are approaching this resistance level over here now. Okay, and we are now having a rejections over on the pound dollar side. Okay, pound dollar. So for pound dollar over here, okay, it seems like the resistance is actually working out quite well over at this side here, right? So tentatively, pound dollar, it moves very similar to pound yen as well. Okay, so currently, yeah, let's take a. I guess this is also not bad. Okay, uh, pound dollar is right now I would say that tentatively, let's wait for the H4 opening. Okay, not to take order now, but just pound dollar is still within the Asian range. Within the Asian range, not touch it. Pound dollar. Do you mean Asian range whereby this part here over? For the price to break the top or bottom, if it breaks the top and then breaks the top, then sell it. Breaks the top, then sell it. You mean the top or the bottom of the Asian market? Do you mean it? Do you mean this way? Okay. I'm a bit confused. Yeah, okay. No worries, no worries. Okay. The top has been broken. Okay, so if the top has been broken, do you mean over here? This range here? We'll wait for the next hourly candle. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. A good wick is forming on the 1 hour candle, right? Okay, that's good. Okay, so over at this point here, yes, this point is something that I'm looking out for as well. All right. So you were saying that sorry, back to your messages earlier on. Okay, I will mark the 61.8 on the week and see what happens at that point. 61.8 on the week. You mean this one? The current candle? Current candle over here? Yes, okay. So you will mark the 61.8 on the week. On the week, like that is 123,186. About there. Okay, 123,186, huh? The mark of this 123,186 is about here. Okay, right. So you mean after it breaks this point, you're going to buy or you're going to sell? Should be, if you break this point, you're going to buy or you're going to sell. I got a little bit confused just now earlier on. Okay, we have a H4 opening. All right. Let's check back on the pound yen. Okay, let's see. Look for a sell. For a sell. Okay. Okay, pound yen. All right, yen. Okay, pound yen tentatively, I think still too early to tell. Okay, so currently just hang on. Okay, let's go back to pound dollar. Pound yen same. Sell at this level. Okay, so are you saying that what mark the 61.8 on the 1 hour week? Let me do this. 166,696. Oh, pound yen. Okay, okay. Pound yen, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. 1 hour. Okay, so mark the 61.8. Mark the 61 on 1 hour week. Okay, 61. Okay, roughly, do you mean this way? About 696. So look for sell. When it breaks, look for sell. Correct. You say that from the top of the wick to the top of the body. Correct, this way. The top 61.8 will be at the top of the body, am I right? Oh, you mean this? Oh, I see. Okay. All right. So you get 61 at 166, 696 over here. Okay, correct. Okay, pound dollar, right? Pound dollar right now. Let me check on the pound dollar. Okay. Hang on. Pound dollar. Yes, I got one question here. Hang on. Okay, so right here, okay, we are looking out for, we are experiencing one over for pound dollar over here. There's one resistance over here. Okay, then over at this side here, we are experiencing one resistance, but this is not very strong yet. Okay, I will see that the resistance. Okay, so right now, good. I think it's having a pullback over on the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar is going to have a pullback. Okay, so take note of this. All right, pound dollar. All right. Okay, so pound yen. Sorry. Okay, come back here. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Sorry. Pound dollar. Okay. So I'm looking for this pullback over here, right? So right, we are looking at tentatively. You can see. Okay, so roughly we have about 20 pips to go, right? Roughly 20 pips to go. Okay, right. So pound yen on the current candle from the bottom of the current wick to the top is the support. Okay, so over here with this 61.8, okay, with the 61.8 over here, okay, when we measure down all these, all right, okay, this will be the previous one, right? We're talking about the previous one. Yeah. Okay, over here. Right? Yes. Okay, so talking about this one, huh? So yeah. So 61.8 over here. So what we are talking about here from Forex New Way is that once it breaks the 61.8 over here, breaks above, you mean, then we will look for selling. Correct? Look for selling. Okay. So now we are going to look out for support. Okay, now we're going to look out for support. Okay, support over here. All right. So from the okay, from the bottom to the top is the support level. Correct. So currently this is okay. So let's do it again. Can you see now? Can see? Yeah, I can see. Okay. So from a current on the current candle, or no, what? Not current, previous. Okay. So previous. Okay. So from the previous candle over here, bottom. Okay. Then we go all the way to the top. That you can see where is the support level. Okay. So pound yen right now, okay, we are still experiencing the same support level over at this area. Okay. Previously was here, now it's moving up. Correct? Now it's moving up. Okay. Right. Okay. I thought of doing streaming, but I do not want the stress to tell people where to enter and exit trades. I can do it myself, but I feel bad on others losing money. Okay. Yep. I guess more on sharing. Okay, more on sharing where we should be taking the correct mindset. Okay, when we are going on the streaming. Okay, we are more on the sharing side, right? So no hard feelings for anything, right? Everyone is on the sharing, so that I guess it's also beneficial, right? It's also beneficial over here, right? Okay, right. Yeah, and over at this point, okay, so now currently, if you can see pound yen, we are right on the support again. Okay, so there's one support here, another support, and on the other side as well. So tentatively, by looking at this, all right, we are right now on the support. Okay, so this is something that we should be careful of. All right. Right. So right now, okay, right now for this pound yen, if by the H4 closing over here, okay, by the H4 closing over here, I see that this is tentatively, okay, it is more onto the closing of the candle right now. Okay, it's okay, the over here, this part here, right? Over at this part here, now I'm looking at this point where the resistance is have been tested over at this area. Okay, so just I think we need to wait for another a little while more. Well, while it's still on the fresh here. Trading is my job. I do not do anything else. So enough stress just trading without explaining things too much. Coming here from time to time is okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Right. Okay. So I used to teach people using Zoom, but I find people are not willing to put the work to really learning. Hmm. Okay. Right. So that's quite true also. All right. Okay, so we have a question here. Okay, pound yen. All right, pound yen. Pound yen right now. Pound yen right now. I would say that tentatively. Okay, if we base on the Asian market. Okay, it's way above. All right, right now it is above the Asian market right now. Okay, so it looks like it's going for another buying mode at the moment. Okay, so when they have another selling, when they have another creating another selling after breaking out the Asian high. Okay, so here, correct, right? So it should be here, this area. Okay, so this is the level over at this point. Yep. I trade using Fibonacci means you need to spend thousands of hours backtesting. Last few people I taught backtested and went live. They lost, of course. Fibo is difficult. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, a lot of times many people out there, okay, once they get one or two tricks and they start to go live, I think that's not really the essence, you see. Okay, I would say that people should also uh, practice a little while. Okay, practice a little bit or back test a bit, you know, before you actually jump into any trades in live account, right? Even if you want to use a live account, there are people like I have as Matt. They were saying that you have to use live account so that you really feel the pinch. You know, okay. So you really feel the pinch, then you will learn. So even so, just use a very small lot size, like example 0.01, okay, 0.01, and to test, okay, to test the skills, because everyone have a strategy, okay, and everybody have a strategy that can I always believe every strategy can make money. Okay, it's just a matter of how well versed you are with that strategy, or you have a structure, you have a very good structure there, to trade. Okay, so that will actually make you a a better trader. You know, following the algorithm is very difficult. The way I trade is very difficult. There are much easier way to trade. Example, using indicators. Yes. Okay. So Emilio, you're new and trying to learn. Well, okay. I think there are plenty of things. First thing first, I think you better get into a structure. Okay. I felt so much comfortable when I actually got myself a structure to trade, so that you follow your structure. Okay. Just like I follow my structure to trade. Okay, and I got my profit as well. Okay, so for me, I trade within the structure. So when my structure doesn't surface, I will just stay away. I will not proceed on for any trading. Okay, so this is something that a lot of traders out there may trade, but once on and off, I say okay. For example, okay, for example, like I say, Forex New Way say okay, enter a trade at what price, what price. Okay, then you set a maybe a buy stop or sell limit there, whatever, and you see, then in the end, you don't really get something there, you know, right? Because you don't know the essence. So it's good that like Forex New Way, he has a structure, right? So everyone, I encourage everyone should have a structure. So when we are sharing here, okay, we are all sharing this to get the essence, okay, and to learn something there, okay, so that you can use a lot of different things that are now coming in and to strengthen the structure. Okay, what you need is practice how to get out of losing trades, not just using stop losses. Learn about hedging or even cost averaging. Yes. Now Pound Yen, maybe sell Pound Yen just hit 61.8. Pound Yen just hit 61.8 over here just now. Okay, earlier on. Okay, 166.969. Okay, so okay, so yeah, so I hope all of you out there can you we can share. Okay, create a structure first. Create a structure in your trading first, then start to share around, and like let's say you are in my channel. Okay, right now, okay, we can share around. Okay, we can share around the structure. Okay, we can share. Okay, this is how I look like. This is how I look for. What are things like a Forex New Way actually guided us this way of using a FIBO, right? So I see many different people use FIBO in different ways. Okay, so example, like I been to Thailand, I see people use FIBO and they are still profitable full-time trader as well. But when somebody else, like Forex New Way and somebody else out there, they are sharing their way of FIBO, and I say, it's a different way. Okay. Importantly, there's no right or wrong on how to use a particular strategy. It's about how you structure out using that particular strategy or system. Like example, FIBO. Okay. First New Way, no hard feelings. I'm not pinpointing anything on you. Okay, but I'm just sharing. Okay, I'm just pinning on the word structure. Yeah, structure is very important. Like I say just now, I see many different people use FIBO, okay, the same thing, but yet in a different way. So over at this point, when I see, I'm very quite curious, okay, to see that people using FIBO but in a different way, yet they can still make profit out of it. So this is something very interesting in trading. Okay, just like people are using support and resistance, okay, with maybe RSI and also MA. Okay, but there are some people who just purely support and resistance. Okay, then they can still make money. It's funny, am I right? Okay, that is something It's something very nice and I would say sweet about Forex trading over here. So there's I would say there's no number one trading strategy in the world. Okay, but the first thing you must get a structure. That is the key. In every successful trader that I've met, okay, I wouldn't say successful. My term successful means they are full time. Okay, so that's one thing that I realized that they use different system or they use the same system but in a different manner. But the same thing that they have in common is they have a structure. Okay. First, write your trading plan on a piece of paper. Put it on the wall and follow it exactly. Change it slightly month by month. Do not keep changing indicators all the time. Very correct. Very, very true. That is very, very true. Okay. So, that is something that I actually realized that also. Okay. In the past, I started to have one trading plan. Okay. A trading plan, it also means that maybe like say you have a indicator. Okay, you maybe you have one indicator, and after using 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you find that the indicator don't work, and you throw away the indicator. Then you try another one. Okay, so put it this way: why not? Why not? You have one indicator. Okay, there are people do it this way whereby it's having the same indicator but change the way he managed his trade. Okay, so in the end, he found one that particular month is making profit by using that particular structure, the same indicator. He wrote it down. So he follows strictly how is it going to set up a trade, how is it going to enter a trade, how is it going to exit a trade, you know. So from there, he actually create a structure. Am I right, Forex New Way? Okay, I mean, personally, okay, I gone through that stage and I did that. Okay, I did that. So basically, I'm just sharing. Okay, how did I learn Forex along the way in my journey? Okay, so it's another thing is when you first start, just trade 1 or 2 pairs only. Yeah, don't jump too many. Okay, don't jump all over the place. Right. For example, you can look out for something with a low margin. Okay, a lower margin. Then just focus 1 or 2 so that you won't get yourself so confused. Okay. I only trade pound yen and dollar and US dollar yen. Okay. Okay. Pound yen, pound dollar, and dollar yen. I see. Okay. Pound yen, pound dollar, and dollar yen. Okay. Look carefully why he trade only pound yen, pound dollar, and dollar yen. Am I right? That's a trick. I guess so. I don't know if I'm right. There's some trick, okay, inside there, huh? Okay, right. So for practice, okay, practice, I would say that for the start, maybe I have someone who actually right now in Germany, okay, she's quite fresh and she traded only the Aussie pairs. Okay, it's only the Aussie pairs. Okay, so Aussie pairs, okay, because of margin, okay, because of margin. So she actually based on one structure. Once she created, she learned about 6 months to no, about a year. Okay, about a year. Then so she started to actually go into a level where he actually started to create structure. Okay, so he started to stick on with the structure using Aussie pairs. Okay, Aussie pairs. So all the Aussie pairs, then he started to stick on to the structure that she created. Okay, then after I think after 4 months, 5 months, she took took 100 trades with TPs. I'm amazed. So she was saying that, okay, so she was saying that she's a very rigid person. So after she realized that she's a very rigid person, and she like a structure. She like to have a schedule. You know, she's a person who like to have schedule, structure. So she actually created one structure and started to stick on with the structure. And for the 4 or 5 months, I guess, I can't remember how long about that. I know clearly it's about less than 6 months. Okay. She sent me a message and she said she created a 100 trading pair, 100 trading with 100 TP. I was like amazed. Okay. So of course, she didn't take a lot of pips. Okay, each time she take about 10 to 20, depending on situation. But she's very happy. So she built a $700 account up to today, about 5,006. So I think she's very happy. So I guess that's the key. You know, that is the key whereby when you are trading within a structure that fits yourself very much. And that is what we always say, a trading plan. And that structure, actually, it differs. It varies from people to people. It depends. Some people who like to have a quick one. Some people who are willing to drag for a longer pips. It depends on individual. So the structure is very important. So she created the structure and up to now about 5,006, and I think it's good. So I see that a lot of full-time trader actually they come along with this structure as well. Remember to follow the daily cycle. The Asian high and low will be important throughout the trading day. Yes, I agree with that also. Yeah, so a cycle trading is actually a very important thing that we should look out also. Yeah, that is something that is good for trader to point out where to continue to hold the price or to exit a trade. So yeah, that is that's one thing over here that we're actually sharing, and a lot of us actually over here that we are trading in the structure, looking out for the cycle, and there are plenty of things to look out. And all in all, bit by bit, as you know, when you combine them all together, it becomes your structure. But round down, it depends on how you use, correct? Okay, it depends on how do you use it as well. So that is very important as well. Okay, right? So I guess I hope people are now on my channel over here. Okay, that I hope you like all this sharing. So same thing, once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, we have a lot of experts here sharing with big hearts from the big hearts traders here. Okay, so like Forex New Way, okay, we have Trends United as well. So many more. Okay, so I hope many more coming in to share so that we a lot of people out there will get benefit from here as well. Many people don't know about the daily cycle. Let Asia make the high and low, and then wait for the UK section to break one side, then target the other side. Yep. Yeah. So that is that's one way. Okay. That's one way that also quite important one that everyone should actually work on that as well, right? So over at this side here, as we can see, example like a bit okay right now. Okay, so I don't know why is it so slow. Maybe you have your views. Okay, you can share. All right, you can let us know over here. Okay, so that we can see that things are actually why is it still so slow, and why we are actually still waiting for the right time. Why are traders not entering trade? You know, they're bound to have a reason. Okay, they're bound to have a reason now. Okay. Okay. So for example, Forex New Wave for pound yen. Right now, we are actually breaking out of this Asian high. This part is out of the Asian high. Am I right? Okay. If the price is slow near top, this is to bring more buyers into the market. Okay. So you see, okay. So guys can understand if the price actually going slow. So the price is actually bringing more buyers into the market, right? So we're attracting a lot of buyers coming in. Buyer may be thinking that okay, now this is a time, now this is a time. Am I right? Okay. So come back here with this okay. So over at this part here, okay, we are looking at this part here. So pound yen, now we are above the Asian highs. Okay, right? This means the UK will hold the price near the top to bring in buyers, and then the American session will sell it. Yeah. So when the US market opens, okay, then start to sell it off. Okay. Right. So I guess this give a lot of good tips of what pound yen is going to move later on in another 2 to 3 hours time. Am I right to say that? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so over here, right? Over here. Let's see over at this point. Okay. Yep. And I'm just taking the opportunity of this this time, and when it's moving slow, then we actually share a little bit more so that people like Emilio, okay, Emilio, so that probably you can learn something out of it, all right? So that you can know the market, how the forex market better, and it will definitely help in your trading as well. Okay. Yes. Tentatively, okay. I'll be waiting for the next 1 hour candle to open first. All right. Okay. Okay. So over here, this pound yen, pound dollar are both being held down by 61.8 of the week. Yes, tentatively we are talking about this side here. Okay, basing on this. Right. Let me. Okay. So yeah, I just the 61A is actually up here. Okay, around here. Yeah. Okay, so it's about here. Right. So it is still there. All right. So right now, yeah, just keep it clean. Yeah, just keep it clean. Yep. Yes. Currently the Asian market, are we supposed to trade above the Asian market? I see a top of 1233 in pound dollar. Okay, 1233 in pound dollar. Sorry, we have a question here. Currently, is pound yen trading above the Asian market? Oh, sorry. The question is, are we supposed to trade above the Asian market for selling? Oh, I see, I see. Okay. Forex New Way, so should be looking for sell. Are you referring to pound dollar? Hi, Nadi. Where is the stop loss? Oh, I think you just came in. Okay, so for both, okay, so we are looking for sell. We are looking for selling for pound yen and pound dollar. Okay, we are looking for pound yen and pound dollar, right? Okay, so where is the stop loss? Okay, we have just discussed about the stop loss. Stop loss depends on individual. Okay, depending on your lot size or count size. Okay, or some like a forex new is using a hedging. Okay, for you don't use stop loss. Okay, right. So let's go over to pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Right. So pound dollar over at this point here. Okay, as we can see, okay, let me zoom in so that we can take a look roughly. Okay. Sorry. Okay. But if you are going to use stop loss, of course, can. It's not that cannot. Okay, but then again, is that this is something is on the personal preference as well. Okay, so yeah, just take note. Okay. Okay. So over at this point here. Okay. Right. The third candle is most important because of the volume, right? Because of the volume. Highest volume today. Okay. Yep. Right. Let me sort this out as well. Okay. Okay. So over here, whereby this part here, okay. So 161.8 will be the point, the level where we are looking out for selling, correct? Forex New Way. So that will stand at about 133. Okay, 1.233. Am I right to say that? Hey guys. Okay, so the support, I would say at this point 61.8 is where probably if you are selling, then that's the area that we should get out of trade. Am I right to say that? Yeah, about 12330. Yes. So for the 61.8 level is 1229. Okay, 12294. That's about the time that we should get out of trade if you are selling from 1233. Yeah. Now the price is being supported by the top of the candle. Yes. Okay, where you stand at the 61.8. Am I right? Okay, why do we plot out this candle? because this candle, okay, this candle is actually the controlling candle. Am I right to say that, Forex New Way? The support at 100. Okay, it's a support at 100. Okay. So people are asking here, why is this? Why do we measure this candle? Is because this one has the highest volume, and which is also today's highest volume candle with controlling candle. Can I say so? Yes, this candle will be used by the algorithm. Okay. So this candle will be used by the algorithm. So can I say that the algorithm, okay, over this part here, all right, over this part here, we can see that this candle, okay, used by the algorithm. So it actually, when we plot out, so the algorithm price, I mean not algorithm price, sorry. So the algorithm will be making use of this candle to actually, you are using this candle to tell the algorithm where it will be going for selling and where is the support level and where you should exit a trade. Can I say that? The price is predetermined. Okay, the price is predetermined. Okay, so over at this point here, okay, over at this point here, when we are looking at this 161 to sell, so put it this way, we do not know where is the predetermined price. The algorithm already plotted the candles before the Asian session. The algorithm already plotted the candles before the Asian session. Okay. Right. Okay. So when we use this candle, okay, when we use this candle, I think the question here is that when we use this candle, okay, what's the purpose of using this candle? Okay, what is the purpose of using this candle? To determine the top price. Oh, okay. To determine the top price. This candle determine the top price. The top price in the Asia market, or like ideally you should have entered at 61.8 and exit at 161.8. Okay, so that means to say, we should enter a buy. Okay, all the way up to 161.8 and we should exit. Right? We should enter a buy, and around 161.8 we should exit. A buy. Yes, okay, a buy. Right? Okay. Yep. Right. So is it a bit different when we sell from 61.8 to 161.8 to 61.8? Risky. Okay, so that means to say, by doing this, why? Because the algorithm has an option to go to 1.8. Okay. The point here is, how do we know that we should buy or sell at 61.8? Okay, okay, all right. According to the trend. Some say according to the trend. Okay. Yes, you still need to know the market directions. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's why using FIBO is difficult. Yep. But once you master it, I think you will get a hand of it. It will be so much easier. Okay. It will be so much easier for many of us to actually get the trick here. Okay. There are many ways to enter an individual candle. Yes, there are many ways indeed. Okay. Yep. Okay, so let's come over to pound yen. Okay. So pound yen, okay, we have can you tell me pound yen? Okay. Pound yen, can I say that the pound yen over here currently on 1 hour the price touch 61.8 of the week, so really is ready to sell. Currently on 1 hour, pound yen over here, week, the week touches the 61.8. Okay, right. So over here, when you measure the wick to the body on the current candle, okay, right, this shows the 61.8 to sell. Okay, this shows the 61.8 to sell. Okay. That is the trigger for the algorithm. Okay. Right. Ken is asking what's your FIBO level for SL. Okay, so let's wait for this answer Ken's question first. Okay, for Forex New Way, Ken, for Forex New Way, he don't use this SL. He use hedging. Okay, right. Okay, Forex New Way. I have a question here. I see that this is the highest volume of the day for this candle. Is that correct? Okay, so for this instance, okay, if I'm going to plot out this way, okay, I'm going to plot out this way. So when we touches the 161.8, okay, and this is the point where this is the selling selling entry when the wick touches this 161.8. Is that correct? Okay, yes. Right, yes. Okay, get it? Okay, so now the next question is that it looks like a bullish market, but why are we selling against the trend? Okay. Okay, the question here, it looks like a bullish market, but why are we selling against the trend? Right, on the lower time frame, yet not the higher time frame. On the lower time frames, it's a retracing on the 4 hours. Okay, so tracing of the 4 hours. You understand? Okay. Can I say that? Okay. Can I say that for this we actually see that it is retracing on the 4 hours. So that means to say now, okay, we are on the 4 hours chart. Okay. So right now it's a retracement. By looking at 4 hours, it's actually a retracement now, correct? Get the candles. I usually trade off daily and weekly time frames. Okay. Oh, you mean our daily and weekly time frames over here? Huh? If this was an expansion, the candles will be much bigger. Okay. If this was an expansion, the candle would be much bigger. Do you mean H4 candles? I'm sorry, I missed that. Yes, H4. Okay. So if this was an expansion, the candles will be much bigger. So do you mean the previous this candle? Are you talking about this candle? This is rising on low volume. This is rising on low volume. Okay. That is a fake move. Or this is a fake move. Okay. Now I get you. Okay. So that means to say, okay, guys over here, right? Okay, I guess people who are subscribing to my channel now, you are benefiting, you are getting some goals here. Okay, right. So let me rephrase it in a simpler way for some beginners here. Okay, right. Forex New Way, guide me along the way if I translate if I rephrasing it wrongly. Okay. So put it in a very simpler way, okay, a simpler way for the beginners to understand, all right? If we actually see these H4 candles, it looks very big, all right? It looks very big, right? So if we actually know about the volume, okay, where we use the volume indicator, the better volume indicator, okay? So over this part here, during these candles, okay, for the 4 hours candle, we can see that actually is in the rising is actually on the low volume. So put it this way, when we see these candles, naturally we should have a thought that this is a high volume trading that pushes the price so high up. Am I right? Okay, but in fact it is not. Okay, in fact it is not. So this is a low volume. Okay, so very likely since it's a low volume, but how come the candle can be so big up there? It's a fake move. Okay, so this is what we meant by the fake move. Okay, all right. So did I explain it correctly in a simpler way, Forex new way? I hope I do. All right. Okay. So that sometimes when you see a very big candle like this, okay, don't just assume, okay, that this is high volume trading in there. So we still need some help with a better volume indicator that will help us more. All right. Okay, so that will actually give you a better picture. And this move may be fake, right? So yeah, so many fake candles. So by looking at this, okay, so in this H4, can I say that like example like this candle is high volume. Okay, this candle is considered a high volume candle. Can I say that? Is this a candle? This one? This is a high volume candle. On standing on this 16 June, 1200 hours. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so yes, thank you Forex New Way. So sometimes you may see candles like this, like this is this is high, but this is low. Sometimes or like you get a little bit like confused. This should be high, but in fact after that you started to buy, but it actually started to sell down. The after that it started to sell down. So you may get caught into this situation, right? Okay. So over here, there's another like just now Forex New was saying this as a lower time frame. Okay, lower time frame. Okay, on the lower time frame. Okay, sorry. Remember I showed you yesterday with the monthly time frame on the dollar yen. Oh yes, yes. Yep, the dollar yen. Okay, right. Okay, so for dollar yen, okay. So when we look at the dollar yen, right, you can see a red candle over here. Correct, the red candle. See the red candle? Yeah, I remember it's the red candle. It looks so small, so short, but yet this one has a very high volume. Am I right? Am I right? I hope I explained it correctly. Okay, so I make it easier for people to understand, huh? Okay. Yep. Okay. Red candle has the highest volume. Yep. Exactly. That's correct. All right. So yeah, that is something that we want to look at this. Okay. Yeah. Right. Oh, how about now? Like this currently. This candle, is it considered as a high volume candle? The current candle, this candle. Okay, this candle. What? Can I say that this is just normal? Just normal? Or should I use the word standard? Lower than red so far. Lower than red so far. Red. Yeah. What does the rate stand for? I've forgotten about the rate. I know magenta is some rate still has high volume. Okay. The blue rate still has the lower than rate. Okay, okay. Yes, okay, lower than red candle. Okay, so this green, okay. I thought you're talking about the better volume. Okay, so sorry. Okay. So the red candle. So volume is tentatively still below. Okay, still below. Alright. Okay. Blue is buyer in control. Okay. Red is seller in control. Right? Uh-huh. Alright. Wow. Okay. This is so the blue is for buyers, okay, in control. Red is seller in control. Magenta is bank entries. Okay. Okay. What? Yellow. Uh-huh. Okay. Dollar yen is picking out. Yellow is low volume. Okay, yellow is low volume. Okay. We have a default blue color. So this default blue color, what should we do with it? Default is blue. What should we do with that? Default is blue. Okay. The I think this I should call it sky blue, right? Okay. I think Forex New Way use a darker blue. Nothing. The sky blue is nothing. No, don't really get it. Dollar yen is interesting, right at 61.8. New high for dollar yen. Ah, our new high for dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen right now. Okay. Just sold. Sold for dollar yen. What is our selling price for dollar yen? 135.52. Okay, dollar yen 135.2. Okay, dollar yen 135.52. Okay, so where are we looking out to? Uh, 135. Sorry, Tuesday high still holding. Tuesday high still holding. Okay, let me see. Today is Tuesday. Correct. Today is Tuesday. Are you Monday, Friday, Wednesday, Tuesday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Over here. Right? It's still here. Last week, okay, last week on the Tuesday, the high. Yeah, right. Okay, over here. Okay. So holding up there. Let me see. Okay. This part here. 135.5. Okay, it's about here. 581. Okay. Friday. Be careful. Friday 4-hour candle. Big candle is in control. 4-hour big candle is in control. He's talking about this candle. Here to here. According to this candle, we should hit 136.07 high. 136.07 high. Oh, slightly. 136.07 high, correct? According to this way, am I right? Forex New Way? Yeah. All right. Wow. Okay. So just now you pump in a tweet for I think a good sell is coming soon because the Japanese government will intervene soon. All right. Okay. I'm sorry guys if you hear some drilling sound. Okay. Yep. Okay, so right here, okay, for this is dollar yen. Okay. Right. So over here, okay. So can we take a look at pound yen? Pound yen. Okay. I know the situation now in pound yen. What is the situation now in pound yen? Right. Okay, so currently for pound yen over here. Okay, what is the situation now in pound yen now? Forex New you can share your view. Anyone also can share your view over here. Okay, tentatively, I'm looking at it whereby I see some resistance over here, as we can see. Okay, so I plotted around this area. Okay, I plotted around this area over at this side here. So now tentatively, it's actually currently it tested once. Let me see. So it tested once on the resistance over at this level. Okay, okay, so we are now sliding down. Okay, still being held by 61.8. When Forex New Way you're saying that still held by 61.8, does that mean that even the price is on the selling, it will start to rebound at the 61.8 thereabout? Can I say that? Right, guys, I'm so sorry. You had to give me a while. All right. Forex New Way, yes. Okay. So, meantime, okay, you can ask your question here. All right, if there's any. Dollar yen selling now. Dollar yen selling now. Okay, let's take a look. Dollar yen. Dollar yen start to sell now. Okay, it's selling already. Right. Dollar yen starting to sell. Okay, so pay attention to dollar yen. Right. Hello, May May. All right. So just give me a minute. Right. I got to excuse myself and I shall run there and be back. Okay, in I think maybe 3 minutes time. Okay, so sorry. Give me a little while. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Right, hello guys, I'm back here. Right, thank you for coming into this channel. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more learning and sharing session over here with all of us here. I'm glad that we have many with many traders with big hearts over here, big hearted traders here to share. Thank you so much, and well, we really learn a lot, and every day we gain so much, and yeah, at the same time, if there's a chance to sell something, we can if we get into a trade, we can get into a trade together, right? So for dollar yen right now is actually on the selling, all right? So let's see over here. We have started selling about 135.5, right? Okay, so currently we have a maximum running about just 18 pips already. Okay, May just now got take trade. Okay, we are some pound yen, dollar yen. Okay, some pound dollar. All right, all over. 你下班了，我们也跟着下班了。All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. So. Yeah, I lower down the time frame so that we can have a better view over here. Ooh, so cool. All right. Okay. So. Yes, and but coming back here, all right, on the pound yen over here, this part here, I'm looking at the pound yen. That in the U.S. market, I will still see there's an opportunity. All right, I still see opportunity there. All right, to actually take a trade for selling. Right. Currently, okay, this level over here, as we can see, okay, this is what I see over here. We are looking at this part here, that this is the Asian high, correct? Okay. Oh yeah, just now the question, did I answer the question? I'm so sorry. Forex New Way, did we answer the question that can we take any trades above the Asian high here? Oh no, I've forgotten about it. Oh yes, you did answer. Take note of selling. Ah, I see. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, sometimes I tend to forget if I have answered any question. Okay, so sorry, pardon me. Right, so once again, okay, so yeah, we are talking about the cycle, right? The cycle is actually very important, okay? So we need to take note of the cycle, okay, so that we can take a trade to better and a better position, so that we can take profits in a very comfortable way, okay? Yeah, so yeah, once again over here, and we are looking at this point, okay, at this point here, pound dollar now on 61.8. Pound dollar, yeah, let's take a look at pound dollar. So pound dollar is now on the 61.8 already, okay. So will there be a chance that let's say pound dollar breaks the 61.8? What will be the outcome, likelihood? I guess some people may be very interesting, very interested to know. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, in a commercial building over my side here, they start work when people off duty about 5 to 6. Okay. So yeah, probably you have to bear with it for a little while if you have some disturbance in my background. Okay. It could go down into Asian section above the middle and come back up and then down to the bottom, then down to the bottom of the Asian. Okay, so yeah, so I guess right here, about here, so let's take it somewhere here, okay, somewhere around here. So this is the middle. Somewhere here, somewhere here. Am I right? This is the middle. One, two, two, seven, four. Yeah, 12274, huh? Okay, around there, yeah. Okay, right. So yeah, so probably it may hit about around this area. Well, that so to say, okay, after this area is being tested, okay, then will it actually bounce back to 161.8? Oh, current candle still has control to 12274. Okay. Asia mid 122. As long as it does not break 12274, it will have a control up to 161.8. Right? Is that what you mean? Current max volume is 12271. Okay. Over here. Yes, okay. I think yep, that's pretty clear that okay, so we can set it up for what are we going to do on the during this US market on the second half. Okay, so roughly we will be able to know, okay, where are we going. So in the US market, okay, in the US market over here, so will there be a chance that it will come to the Asia low? Will it be a chance that it will come to the Asia low to complete the whole cycle in that sense? Yes. Okay. Okay. Answer is yes. All right. So can I say that it will also applies to pound yen? Let's take a look at pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Tentatively. Okay. I see a possible low of 12170. 12170. 12170. That's pretty low. 12170. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, correct. Okay, 12170 over here. Okay. This is the Friday lows. Yes, correct. That's for pound dollar. Pound dollar. Yep. Okay. Probably a little lower to take out the stops. Probably a lower to take out the stops. Okay. Right. Yep. Okay. Okay. So guys can get it on the pound dollar. Alright, pound dollar. So I'll be looking. We are looking at this. Okay. Just put it this way. Okay. Yeah. So over at this point here, Monday, this is last Friday. That the last Friday was the lowest here. Okay. Friday's low. Okay, so most very likely this pound dollar will actually swing. Okay, if it happens that it's moving very smoothly, okay, that it's actually breaking through all those that we have just mentioned over earlier on, and very likely it will swing to a lower to a Friday lows over at this point. Okay, very likely. Okay, yeah, because that's also yeah the point over this area. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, the next question talking about pound yen. Pound yen, does it applies the same to pound yen? Applies the same to pound yen, huh? Okay. Does it applies the same to pound yen over this side here? Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. Monday Asian low is 121. Okay, we're still on pound dollar. 121 for this part here. 1219. Okay. Yeah, that is not taken out yet. Okay. Yeah. So still working on. I will say that. Yeah, I think we are still working on this. All right. So one level here. Okay. So just take note. Please take note of this level. All right. Just please take note of this level. Okay. Take note of this level. Yeah. All right. Okay, so I'll move to pound yen. The questions here for pound yen. Does it apply the same to pound yen? Okay, so let's take a look all over again. Pound yen right now is on the yeah moving towards the 61.8, right? The 61.8 over at this level. Okay, so it does not apply the same. Okay. Pound yen is influenced by dollar yen. Okay, pound is influenced by dollar yen. Okay, so right now by looking at this pound yen over here, okay, are we still on the track that just now we plotted out this 61.8 over at this point? That if you dollar yen spike to a new high in America session, then pound yen will rise more. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Yeah, understood this point. Yes. Okay. So currently, by reading this pound yen over here, is the 61.8 is still in control? Because for pound yen to rise much more, there are a lot of sellers waiting. There are a lot of sellers waiting. Okay. Watch out the downside. Yep. I think probably can I say that over here there's something. Looking at the pound yen tentatively, it is seems like it's moving towards the 618. Is that correct? The 618. Okay. 166.15. There's a large buy order sitting at 166.15. 66.15. So it's estimated is around this 61.8 level. Around this 61.8 order level. Yes, right on the 61.8. Okay. So like Forex New Way earlier on was saying that for pound yen, as the price comes to 61.8, that is the price to buy. Okay. Okay. That's the price to buy. Right? 61 is okay. So we are taking into consideration that for pound yen, okay, likely we are going to buy at the price of 166.155. Okay, 166.155. Right? Okay. Okay, so get it. Okay, pound yen. We're discussing about this pound yen. Okay, so pound yen. We are discussing pound yen that pound yen buy in at 166.155. Okay, 166.155. Okay. One 166.155. And there's a large sell order sitting at 166.913. 166.913. So is that a good time to sell as well? Yes, so because okay, so everybody can see pound yen buy in 155, but you sell at 166.913. Okay. A lot of buy stop orders. Okay, so just be careful. All right. Yeah. So okay, once okay, I punch it up. Can all of you see this message? Okay, can okay, I highlighted this message. Okay, so there are large buy stops at 166.80. 166.80. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so just be careful. All right, just be careful with these two pricing over here, which I see that which I see, okay, that tentatively by looking at this, okay, this these two prices here, okay, just we also have in between we still have sellers, okay, coming in, okay, but just need to wait for the right time to sell. However, okay, there are still some buy stops around 16680. Okay, so like what Forex New has quoted us here, I think it's nice that 16080. So just be thankful, okay, with this price of 166913. Yep, that's right. Okay, yes. Okay, so when it comes to when it comes to this over here, pound yen, okay. Forex New just now, did you say that pound yen is actually hitting on 61.8 is good to buy? Correct? That's why we have buy in at this 166.155 around there. Okay. Just a second, I'll give you current data for pound yen. Okay, that's nice of you. Okay. Yep. Uh yes, okay, good. So guys, if you are going to buy in, all right, in 166, 155, okay. So you have to be patient and wait for this. Currently looking at this is a pullback over here, right? So tentatively, okay, tentatively, just be careful, right? So because I guess 161.8 and 155 is exactly on the level there, right? So you can pay attention to that level, right? But for selling 166,913, okay, the targeted selling price will be 166, okay, 166,913 over there, all right? But we still have 166.8 with buy stop, so just be careful with that. 35% are selling, 65% are buying. Okay, so it means that's currently, right? Okay, 6% of people are in profit. Okay, %43 are losing. Okay, normally 70% of people are at a loss. 43% is not 70% yet. Sorry, Forex New, you were saying that normally 70% of people are at a loss. Uh, so do you mean that this 43% are losing is not, it's not a figure that is let's say it's not up to the mark? Okay, the algorithm will not let a lot more people to get into profit. It will cost too much money. Okay, so 6% of people are in profit. Are they in the selling? That is why a turnaround in price is coming. Okay. So that means to say, that means to say, okay. No, just now I was saying that this 35% are selling, 65% are buying. So 56% are in profit. So this 56% in profit, are they buying or selling? There's a mix. Oh, I see. There's a mix. So there's a mixture. Okay, there's a mixture. So there's a mixture of people buying and selling in this 56%. So that means to say, okay, they will try to turn around the price to make it as a 70% for in the losing stake. Am I right? So they will actually try to match up. They'll try to match up at each time. Okay, they'll match up the figures up to 70%. Yeah, so that it's themselves. Okay, the algorithm themselves will not actually lose a lot of, not cost too much. But they are trying to bring down the costing. That's why I should phrase it, huh? Okay. So yes, okay. Right. So right now at this point is looks like now coming on is that the moving over here. Okay, we can see. All right. Right now, okay, as we can see over here, it's actually for like an example like this. I'm going to string down. Okay, I'm going to zoom a little bit on the M5 time frame. So this M5, let's say I'm just using M5 to see the movement. It actually went up to 161.8 and we start selling off over here, right over here. Then there's a mixture. There's a mixture of profit until now, okay, of this percentage, right? Right. Remember, this is the interbank algorithm. It controls about 80 to 90% of the money traded every day. Yes, that's correct. Okay, that's correct. Yeah. So right now, okay, up to now, the current data over here, we have 35% who are selling and 65 are actually buying, right? So 56% are in profit. So they will try to lower down the 56% roughly to 30% of profit, right? So by looking at this, 65% are buying, all right? If we are looking at 65% are buying, okay, then that means to say they are going to increase the percentage of people to bring in more seller to sell, to keep up the 70% people are in profit. Wait, let me rephrase everything again. All right. Okay. Hi. I'm sorry, I do not know how to read your name. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, nice to see you here. Now pound yen 62%. Sorry, pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. Okay, let's phrase it to pound dollar over here. Okay, so now pound dollar 62% are losing. Pound dollar 62% are losing. Okay. Right. Okay, so yep. Okay, so yes, 38% are selling. 38% are selling for pound dollar. that correct? 68%, 62%, 38% are selling for pound dollar. Okay. All right. Sorry, 38% are selling, 62% are selling. I don't quite get it. Okay. Aussie dollar 70% are losing. So you're trying to give us an example. Okay, Aussie dollar. So 70% are losing. Okay, so over at this point here, right? Okay, so the goal is 71% are losing, all right? Gonna go. Okay, so 71% are losing. Okay. So example for like Aussie dollar or gold, 71% are losing right now, right? Okay, so since I'm at a gold, so right now by looking at this gold, this hour, the movement is actually 44% are selling. Okay, 44% are selling. And 56% are buying for Aussie dollar. Okay, for Aussie dollar. Right? Okay. Yeah, that's for Aussie dollar. Okay. So for gold trading over here, we have 35% selling and 65% are buying. 65% are buying. Okay. So the 65% are buying. Out of this 65% are buying, they make up the whole mixture, they make up a 71% losing. Okay. So that means to say, okay, that means can I say that that means to say it will continue the selling first. Okay. When the selling, okay, because of this 65%, they are buying, they are buying. So that make up the 71% losing. So only 35% are selling. Okay, that make up of the 30% profit. Right. So when it comes to in a way that the turning, okay, the turning, whereby okay, the selling started to exceed the percentage, okay, when the selling, okay. So can I say that then the price will start to rebound? There will be a turn in the price. So each time, what I meant is that each time, like example like this gold, right? Yeah, okay, yes, okay. So yeah, so usually when it's times to when the selling profit is turning into a bigger portion. Okay, so they will actually, the price will have a sign that the price is going to increase. Okay, so I got it right. Yep. That is why sometimes it is difficult to read charts. Yep, that's true. Yep. The charts turn on the profitability level. Yep. Okay. So right, I think this is very interesting. I think many of us, we don't really know about that. Okay. Yeah. That is why there's sometimes this what is this ADR trades. They usually happen on Monday or Friday. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. What is this ADR? Your ADR short form stands for? Okay. Yes. There are some. I see. Let me check. I think right now, okay. I think right now actually for pound yen, okay, it's more onto like where we had just discussed. I think I'm still trying on the 1618 over there with the price of 166 what did I see? 166913 about there. I think so. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. So come back here. So sorry, just now I was saying that ADR indicator. Do you mean the average day? Do you mean the average day? I think should be average day range, right? I think so. Okay. If I'm talking about the indicator. Okay. Always use an ADR indicator. It will give you the average low and high price for the day. Okay. It will change. Okay. Yep. Average daily range. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No. I don't. This is interesting. Okay. We do not have that. So that will actually tell us a lot about imbalance, right? I think. Okay. All right. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, let's take a look. Pound yen. Pound yen. Pound yen is 164,530. 164. 164,530. Okay. So pound dollar will be 121,554. Okay, pound dollar. 121.54. At the bottom. You were saying that this pound yen, this is the low. Am I right? This is the low. Okay, so the top of pound yen 167.55. 167.554, huh? 167. Okay, so pound dollar, the top will be 124.09. 124.09. Okay. They will change tomorrow. They are calculated using 14-day ATR. Oh, I see. I see. Okay, okay. Okay, I got you. Okay. Dollar yen new high. Okay. So dollar yen, we are moving on the new high now. Okay. Dollar yen. That's why pound yen just rose. Okay. So yep, it's concurrent. Yes, you can see that. Yes. So right now, as for pound yen, okay. As for pound yen right now, all right. So as we can see, now it's actually going towards what's the price now? About 166. I think this one 166 75. Okay, pound yen 166.758, right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yes. 136.08 for dot 136.08. That's dollar yen, right? Yep. Okay. Yeah, I got the reminder again from Hubert. It's time for sushi. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so engrossed. Okay, I'm very sorry. I overrun that. Yeah, I'm so engrossed with it. Okay. Yes. All right. So once again, okay. Thank you so much for coming by over this channel over here. Right, so thank you so much for all the subscribes and attendees over here that I believe that we through our sharing here, I guess most of you have benefit from here. So stay subscribed and we'll come back tomorrow. Thank you Forex New Way for your big heart sharing over here. So thank you so much and congratulations for the 3 million yen profits today, I guess. 3 or 5? 5, right? Okay. So yes, then again, all right. So I shall see you again and thank you very much for the contribution here. Right, I shall see you once again tomorrow. Okay, see all of you once again tomorrow as well. So thank you guys. Forex New Way, do you have any more for me? Because I got reminded. I hope I'm not taking up all the time, all right, for from you. Okay. So yep. Okay. So thank you so much. And do you have anything for me for Forex New Way? Right, if we don't have any more, all right, so then I will. All right, thank you very much. Thank you so much, Safi. Okay, Safi, correct. All right, guys, thank you so much here, and we will come back tomorrow again. All right, so that we will be able to continue. All right, to analyze the charts and learn together with everyone here. Right, so feel free to share. All right, so I will be here together with all of you. Thank you so much, guys. I shall see you again. This is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. See you once again tomorrow. See you.